Since we upgraded screen protectors from this to this, people no need to worry about dust or air bubbles on the phone. And you also don't need to worry about applying it crookedly because it does have an alignment frame that makes it extremely easy to apply. It removes all the dust and air bubbles. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer makes the screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and extremely durable. Good. Perfect. If you like our product, click on the little card below to purchase yours now.